The high level of checkpoint in Southeast is becoming too much, not too much anymore. They say from Enugu to Abia, you will pass more than 7 checkpoints. And the worst part of it is this. Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today is the first time when you come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. In this channel, we tell you what we want to tell you with no fear of anything, and we speak nothing but the truth for the people to know what is going on. The high level of checkpoint in Southeast is becoming too much, and the governors, since the people have refused to do something, how can our people who are coming from far away will get to the military checkpoint and come down from their buses, walk with foot to pass checkpoint before they can? The car now will not drive, only the driver will not drive and go and meet them in the front. At this point, I want to ask one question. What if something suddenly happened there? Those people who are walking in their foot have become the victim of the whatever that happened there that very day. And this is a humiliation against our people. Since the high commitment and evil you people have sold yourself inside, you cannot even speak the truth again concerning your own people. This is unbelievable. The high level of this checkpoint in Southeast is not acceptable by our people. People don't need to go through this every day for them to get to their destination. Those things are driving away investors in our various states. If you think that it's a security, it's not a security. Yes, it's not a security. I want to tell you one story. There was one part in Germany, one particular site in Germany. So at a point of that, this guy, he now went to that place. Immediately, the old women living around there just called the police for this guy, and the police just come and banned that guy from going to that side again. You know what this guy did? He left Germany and packed his family to another country because of this. Assume that this guy is an investor that come to invest in that village in Germany, and this thing happened. So these things like this are driving investors away from our various states. But you would think it's a security. It's not a security. Why are they not implementing this kind of checkpoint in all these states in North where they are slaughtering every day by day? So why is it in Southeast? I'm going to play you the video for you to watch and see what our people is going through every day in checkpoint in Nigeria. Let me play you the video for you to watch. Then before we come back and continue.
Water. Auntie Blessing. Go back. I say you carry hammer.
Welcome back, my people. As you don't watch that video, you know this person tried to capture this thing for everybody to see, because not tomorrow they will not tell you that there is no checking point, that the checking point is no longer existing in the southeast. It is not much. Somebody dare me today, the person now write me and say that I'm going to bring up the comment here. He said that the way the military present in Imo State, as we are talking now, he says it's unbelievable. Every road, as in the way they are trooping military in Imo State, more than 50 healers is everywhere in Imo State with full of militaries. It happening in me. So I'm going to bring up the chat here today for you guys to see what is going on. So the leaders in Southeast need to stop this madness. This is not a security. It's totally madness. The problem we have in Southeast now is for you people to tell yourself the truth, but you refuse to tell yourself the truth, and that is why we are where we are today. So once we tell ourselves the truth, our problem is over. So putting our people through this stress is unacceptable. So they should do something about this particular video. So guys, let us know your opinion and what you think, and tell us how checking point is in your own side. We want to know. If you have a video, send for us. Anything that you want us to talk about that you see as an video, just send the video across to us. We will come here and talk about the world. We'll see what is going on, because if you keep passing there and keeping it, but when you are doing that, be very, very careful. Be vigilant of your own self. Anytime you are trying to capture something, be vigilant for your own self. Okay guys, we will see you for the next update. May you share this video and make sure say you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow our Facebook page. Also follow us on TikTok. We are everywhere, bringing it back to back as it is hot.